Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows Update KB5058515 failed to install in Windows 11 computer. So KB5058515 was released in May 2025 as a cumulative preview update for Windows 11 versions 24H2. It includes improvements to the lock screen widgets, the open with dialog, and additional features in the Windows backup experience. And common reasons of this error include due to system file corruptions, low disk space, issues with the update components, or even interference from antivirus software. And then I'll show you steps to resolve this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to check relevant services. So all you have to do is to click on Start menu and then here for search for apps. And then you need to type services and then you need to click open. And then once you open up the services and services local, but before to proceed, and then we need to check those services if it is already running or not. And then if the services is not running, and then we need to modify the services by open properties. Alright, and the next step, then we need to find and locate this background intelligent transfer service. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then check if the services is if already running or not. So since the services is already running, so all you have to do is to click only this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And after that, in the next services that we need to modify, and then you need to find and locate this Windows Update services. So you need to scroll down and then you need to select this Windows Update services. So select and then right click and then check if the services is already running or not. So since the services is already running, so all you have to do is to select this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and the next services that we need to modify is to find and locate this Windows Installer. So you need to scroll up and then select this Windows Installer services. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then check if the services is already running or not. So since this services is not running, so all you have to do is to select and then you need to double click and then here at general properties. So you can see now that startup type is already grayed out, but don't worry. So all you have to do is to select only the service status and click start and wait to complete the start process. And then after that, and then you need to click OK. Alright, and the last services that we need to modify is to find and locate the cryptographic services. So you need to scroll up and then you need to select the cryptographic service. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then check if the services is already running or not. So since this services is already running, so all you have to do is to select restart and wait to complete the restart process. Alright, then after here at services, and then we need to close this services and then we need to restart. So by clicking start menu and then select this restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows Update error on your PC, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.